Found a unicorn at Hermes today, but if we're talking about Hermes, should I call it a Pegasus? TBD, but I'll bring you along and show you what I found. If you know me, you know we need to start in scarves. I wanted to take a look at 70s, which is always my favorite size. And I really like this Grand Manege scarf in terms of a first scarf recommendation. Here it is on the website. Here it is with my chart, which you guys have dubbed the Abigail chart. And we can see different colors on almost every corner. Here it looks like a yellow scarf, a blue scarf, and a pink scarf, which were all the same scarf. Then I took a look at the Twillies. Really like the Rhino on this Parade Twilly in honor of the late window designer Leila Menchari. And also really like the silhouettes on the reverse. However, I wasn't sure about the colors on the corners. Okay, and here's my unicorn or Pegasus. This is a size 70 in a washed silk, which I have never seen before. And on top of that, it appears to be dip dyed as well. Here it is in blue. So we have a dip dyed washed 70, which is such an unusual combination. Here it is on. I just love how effortless a washed silk looks. And interestingly enough, the scarf listing doesn't list anything about using washed silk, which is one of the reasons I always recommend looking at these things in person because they can look totally different. It also doesn't say anything about dip dye, and usually dip dye scarves have a different type of tag, but it definitely has that dip dye look. My mom and I both picked something up today. Also love the tin fish or bronze. Then went over to the portrait gallery and would highly recommend this exhibit if you're in the area.